Let me also charge the school authority. Please, we have a problem in our system today, and that problem is cultism. Cultism. Cultism is no longer a business of the higher institutions in our own time. It's a business that starts from the primary. In fact, the secondary school is the headquarters. It's the truth. Before, you used to say people used to be in the university, you need to have a certain grade of CGPA before you are admitted into cultism. And at that time, it was for protection of interest, as they said. But today, you're in primary school, you're in secondary school, you're joining cult. By the time you are fortunate to be in the university, you have already lost the direction. So please, I want to beg you. You are the futures of our tomorrow. You are the ones that will take over from us. I want to discourage you. There is no gain in those activities. Look at what we are suffering today. River State is in the news, where a cult group killed a police officer and had the boldness to record it and send it out to the media and mention the name of the group. It's sad. It's unfortunate. We are noted for good things. We are noted to protect the interests and the integrity of Nigeria. My predecessor did it. We are today enjoying a Southern president because of that struggle. He didn't struggle for cultism. He didn't encourage cultism. So I don't know where we are coming from. Who is the person behind this whole thing? Please, I'm begging you, these young ones that are going to use these facilities, our teachers that are here, that are going to supervise, please, take this issue very serious. And let me say it here. It should be a policy. Maybe once we leave here, any student, principal, found to be associated with cultism will be dismissed from the service. We need to make a statement